Good day, my name is Frans Swanepoel. I'm the founder and CEO of Bitcoin Wise. This video is why Bitcoin Wise, part number 2. So in part number 1, I've explained in a very short nutshell, basically where the money comes from, because it's very important to make sure that we've got a real passive income. So in a nutshell, if you haven't seen part 1, just click on the description below. There will be a link to part 1, and you can look the explanation on part 1 on how the money is generated. And it's basically generated from each and every transaction. So it comes from the transaction fee and no discount at all. So there will be never, ever any product that you have to sell. You're basically just going to do groceries and you earn income. So Bitcoin Wise is a community ecosystem. So that's what makes it so powerful. So everybody in your community ecosystem is where you're going to earn money from. Every time that they do shopping, every time that they buy groceries, every time that they purchase medication, every time they put fuel in their vehicle, anytime they go and eat out, it doesn't matter what they do, as long as they use the wallet facility that we supply them at the moment from Cellbox, as long as they use the e-voucher to pay instead of swiping their card, then you will earn a passive income from everybody else. Transaction fee. Also a bit on your own as well. So this is what makes it so powerful. But yeah, look at part 1 if you haven't seen it. And then now what I'm going to explain to you is the potential of income that you can generate out of Bitcoin Wise. So I'm going to share my screen quickly to show you this is the potential that you can generate out of Bitcoin Wise. So first of all, we're going to look at the starter pack. Obviously, when you join Bitcoin Wise, you buy your starter pack for a once of 350 Rand. In your starter pack, it's all is covered in video number 1. But basically, you've got everything from the start, how to use your wallet, how to use the back office, all the how-tos is in there. There's even marketing tools for you in there. But it's all about the community ecosystem. That is what we want to do. We want to generate the income for you. Bitcoin Wise is all about you and everyone in the community. And that is what we want to do, is we want to share and give everybody the opportunity, because we don't have to sell anything. That's what's so amazing about us, our businesses. You don't have to sell anything. We are not here to sell anything to anybody. We're just here to give you a tool in your hand to say, now you've got no excuse to not make a passive income, to not change your life, to not have a hope in your life. Here is everything in a nutshell, and it's free money that you generate. No monthly cost, nothing of this. So let's look at it. So first of all, obviously, we all have our inner circle. They call it the inner circle. The inner circle is basically all the people that you mingle with on a very regular basis. So it's your family, it's your friends, it's your colleagues at work, and we call them direct shoppers. So in your inner circle, there's obviously when you start with Bitcoin Wise, and you use the system and you see how simple it is, and it's free money. You get free money every month for nothing. Mahala. So now, obviously, you're going to share it with your friends and your family and your colleagues. That's your inner circle. They go and become part of Bitcoin Wise because they also want free money. They also want to create a passive income for themselves. They also want to have an additional opportunity to come free from whatever situation they are. Maybe they need an additional income. Maybe they don't have an income and they want the income. So maybe they want to retire early and they want to travel the world, whatever. Whatever your vision is, BitcoinWise is the tool to set you free. So whatever, so in your inner circle, when they become part of your ecosystem, the community ecosystem, we are going to reward you on their starter pack. When they purchase the starter pack, we're going to give you 50 Rand once off um, when they purchase the starter pack. And because they form part of your inner circle, we're going to give you an additional 10 Rand. Now, this money, what I'm talking about, is not a passive income because everybody, they only register once with BitcoinWise and they've got a lifetime membership. And then, so it's not a passive income, it's a reward that we give you because you have shared this with your inner circle people. So this money we pay you out on a weekly basis, every Friday, so that you can have money every week, every weekend. Every week there's money coming to you. So obviously, those people that are forming part of your inner circle, they have their inner circles. So you work with them perhaps, but they go to church. They also have different families. They also have different friends than you. So that's formed their part of their inner circle. And they're going to share BitcoinWise with them. And we call that the extended inner circle, the extended shoppers. In other words, every time that they share it with somebody and they purchase their starter pack, we also going to give you a starter pack reward because they've joined your ecosystem, because it forms part of your ecosystem. That's what makes it so awesome. So there we're going to give you an additional 5 Rand starter pack bonus on everybody when they buy the starter pack to start with BitcoinWise. Then obviously your extended shoppers, they've got their inner circle. And their inner circle we call the broader shoppers. And the broader shoppers, when they purchase their starter pack, we're still going to give you a reward on the starter pack when they purchase it. And that is a 10 Rand on each starter pack that they purchase. So, and obviously the broader circle, they've got their own inner circle. And that forms part of your market growth shopper circle. That means that's the 4th layer of inner circles that you have affected and that you have helped to change their lives. So we're going to give you 25 Rand of each of the market growth shopper when they purchase their starter pack. So to give you an idea, what you can earn just on starter pack bonuses from people that are joining BitcoinWise in your eco community circle is when this 4 tiers of inner circles are full of people that become part of the beehive, the BitcoinWise, your community ecosystem. You will earn a total of 260,000 Rand that we have paid out just to you because you have changed people's lives. Isn't that awesome? So that's fantastic. But remember, this is not even the passive side of the business. The passive side of the business is what I'm going to explain to you now. So this is just starter pack rewards that we give you to reward you to change other people's lives and not only thinking about yourself. So let's look at let's just get down to the next slide. Okay, so the next slide is here. This is purely an example. So I need you to understand that you understand now the different circles, the inner circles. So you've got your direct circles, extended, broader, and a market growth shoppers. So why do we call them shoppers? Because this is what our business is all about. Our business is all about, instead of using your bank card, you are now using your wallet and you're using the voucher, the e-voucher at the door to pay for your groceries and your medication and everything. So every time that anybody in that four inner circles, different circles, make a purchase, you earn a portion of the transaction fee that the bank charges the merchant for that transaction. So when Cellbucks charge Pick n Pay or Shoprite or Dis-Chem or Clicks or uh, Spur or any of those places, when you make a purchase or anyone in your ecosystem in that four-tier circle make a purchase, then you get a percentage of the transaction fee that Cellbucks charge Pick n Pay and Checkers to do that transaction. So on your first inner circle, the direct shoppers, we're going to give you 10% of what Cellbucks is sharing with BitcoinWise. All right. So every time they make a purchase, you get 10%. But remember, you also get 10% on your own purchases, because obviously you want to earn on your own purchases as well. But the power lies in this four inner circles that I've explained to you. From them are spending, using the Cellbucks vouchers to pay for their groceries. That's where you make your passive income for the rest of your life. So every time they make a purchase, the direct shoppers, 10%. Your extended shoppers is 5%. And the broader shoppers are 15%. And the last tier, your market growth shoppers, we're going to give you 40%. Yeah, 40% of what we get from Cellbucks, of the transaction fee that they charge Pick n Pay and Checkers and all those places. Now, to give you just an example, this is just purely an example, so you can have some sort of idea the power that lies in this community ecosystem for you as an individual. So if everybody in this community ecosystem just spent 1,000 Rand for the month on groceries or medication, altogether, fuel, eat out, anything. If everybody just spent an average of 1,000 Rand, you will earn approximately around 60,000 Rand a month passive income from their purchases and your purchases. So this is a serious income. I can give you an example. Well, obviously, it's double the income. If everybody just spent an average of 2,000 Rand a month. So it's crazy how big this potential is for you to earn from BitcoinWise, from everybody spending. So there is no other easy way to make money. And it's not a quick rich scheme. This business is a business that's going to be here for the next 100 years, 1,000 years. So you can actually put this business in your will and you transfer your business into your children's, and your children to their children. Because we don't have to sell anything. All you have to do is use a smarter way of paying for the same groceries at the same place that you buy now, and you will earn a serious income. So please don't lose out. Grab the opportunity right away and become part of Bitcoin Wise. Go to worldwideweb.becw.co.za, and there's a register button and you can register. Obviously, somebody is going to tell you about this video, or somebody's going to send you this video, because in the application it's going to ask you who referred you, who told you about Bitcoin Wise. And you can that person will either send you a link, or they will give you their cell phone number, and you can put that in so that you can form part of the ecosystem. So I'm looking forward to welcome you as part of the Bitcoin Wise community, the Bitcoin Wise Beehive. So we all make money together.